another video, y'all. If you've never seen my face before, hey, hello, welcome. My name is Olivia. If you're not new here, thank you for clicking on the video. And if you are new here, consider subscribing because you might have some fun. But anyway, y'all, we got to get into the context of this video. So I know y'all seen by the title, it says getting my life together after a bad week, because that's just what I had. It was a bad week. So honestly, right now, I'm low-key feeling like a failure. Like, that's just what it is. All the times you're not gonna come on camera and be happy, but no, I'm low-key feeling like a failure because, so today is currently Saturday, April 20th, and just to give y'all some context, I promise I'll start running my mouth, but I swear y'all, I done had a great January, February, March, really just like the first quarter of this year has been like really great for me, but April, I've been struggling. I don't know what it is. Like, I haven't been posting like I wanted to. Then I've gotten, if you've been here, you like kind of follow with my videos, you know, like I have like another video I told y'all when I was on crutches. It had to been like January. So basically that whole ordeal with like my joints and stuff, they done swell up on me this week. Y'all, I've been immobile this week. I've been on crutches. I've had to miss days from work. I've been in so much pain. And when I have been to work, I've just been like medicated, you know, to the point where I kind of felt high just to get through the work day. So like, that's why I'm trying to get my life together after a bad week. Because I ain't gonna lie, it's been a bad week. It ain't been a great month either. Because with content wise, like I've only posted one video this whole month. It's April 20th. Life just be life, and like sometimes your content is just not gonna go how you want it to, but y'all, like this week it's just been so rough, and I don't want to be like complaining, but I just, you know, giving y'all some content. So I'm trying to get my life back together, trying to get back into a routine, because last week I was tired. I haven't slept any. Like today I slept till like 11 o'clock because I just haven't had any rest all week. Because y'all, when it swells up, you can't, it's so hard to get comfortable, because if you lay down flat, you feel like your body, like your muscles are pulling apart, and then you just can't get comfortable. Anyway, I'm definitely rambling, but I just doing stuff. This video really for me because I'm trying to get my life together. This is not necessarily like a productive video. It's like 7:15, and I had a protein shake around like 2 o'clock, so I'm not just super hungry, but I do want to take like a bath tonight. I may go get me a salad or something, because I'm just trying to eat things like leafy greens and vegetables to reduce the inflammation in my body. Like, I don't want nothing fried. I don't want no sweets. I don't want none of that. I'm just trying to like get all this inflammation out. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get me a salad or something from Chick-fil-A, but I know I'm gonna soak tonight in my bath. And then honestly, this like over the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, I'm just gonna be getting my life together. Hey, Olivia. And that be y'all.
Like 5 salad grill with like some vinaigrette dressing and a large water.
Yes. Thank you. You too. Thank you.
My pleasure. You have a blessed night.
Thank you. You too.
My pleasure.
Just let the salad be giving y'all just the grilled Cobb salad with the light summit vinaigrette. Then I'm gonna just put this prime packet in my water. Y'all, these are really good. Like this prime packet, I ain't gonna lie, like it's gluten-free, it's caffeine-free. This is the strawberry watermelon flavor. I had the blueberry lemonade, I want to say, but it's super good. And y'all, this is literally what I've been doing all day, watching YouTube, finding new creators. And I cleared my search history. So I cleared my search history on YouTube, and literally all brand new stuff been popping up. Like, I love it. Like, I'm gonna clear my search history like more often, because I just been finding like new stuff to watch today. I kept getting tired of like when I go to search something, all this other stuff that I've already searched for like was popping up. So anyway, I'm just finna eat my salad. Excuse my leg. I'm finna eat my salad, drink my stuff. Hopefully I feel better after this. Happy Sunday. In the morning, I sound like a man, I'm sorry, but happy Sunday, April 21st. I've done had a slow morning. If y'all can tell, I kind of showed it. It's like really gloomy outside, but I went ahead and made my bed this morning. I did my devotional, not my physical Bible. I've been reading this Bible app, not the Bible, I've been reading the Bible app, but they actually got some really good plans on there in the Bible app. And so I was reading I'll link it down below. It's a plan. It's called How to Understand the Bible or Understand the Bible, something like that. It's a 5-day plan, but it's actually really good. So I did read the Bible on my phone this morning. Did that. Sorry, my alarm went off. But yeah, I'll link it down below. I found this video on YouTube that I also linked down below. It wasn't really even a sermon. It was just like a quick word. It was only like 8 minutes, but it was really good. It was talking about keeping your mind on God. So it's currently like 9:45. I done had like a slow morning for real. Not going to church today just because, like we talked about yesterday, limping around, all this other stuff. Really don't feel like people asking me, you okay, what's wrong, all the other stuff. So I had church here. Today, I do want to get out of the house. Like I said, it's gloomy, but I need to get out of the house because I was in the house all day yesterday. But I want to cook breakfast, get myself together a little bit because I am hungry. So I think I'm going to journal for a little bit and then cook breakfast. After I took that bath last night, y'all, I took a shower, but I got like a new exfoliating, like actual washcloth rag. Beautiful. Chef's kiss. My skin was so soft. It's still soft. It felt so good just to like exfoliate. And I do feel a little bit better after soaking yesterday in the Epsom salt and taking that shower. So today we're just gonna continue getting our life together. I have a slight to-do list, but I wasn't trying to do too much because this really ain't like no productive day in my life. I wasn't trying to do too much. So yeah, I think for breakfast, and don't judge the refrigerator, but I think for breakfast we're gonna do egg whites. These are still good. I need to use these by April 30th, so today's the 21st, but egg whites are really good. I think I do, so 3 tablespoons is 46 grams. I do like 2 of that. So what's 46 plus 46? I think that's 92, if I'm not making a mistake. And then it's like 5 grams of protein per serving. So this is an extra 10 grams right here. You know, we are protein girlies. I'm gonna do some eggs. I'm gonna do 2 eggs. Let's go ahead and take these out. I really don't feel like waiting for bacon to get ready. I mean, I do like some bacon. That's some Jimmy Dean bacon right here, but I don't feel like that. Wait for that to get ready. Got some cheese. Got this. I guess instead of bacon, I'm gonna just put bacon bits in it, which I don't even know if that's any better. And like my favorite thing to do lately, those eggs with these breakfast potatoes. So like these hash browns are only 60 calories a serving, for like 85 grams. It's pretty good. Yeah, so it's like dash hash brown potatoes, and then what I do, I put my sriracha on there and some sour cream. I hope the sour cream is so good though. I feel like I just bought it, but it's March 29th. What? I just bought this. I don't know. We'll have to get a feel for it. Let me see. Hold on. I need to hurry up and use some of this stuff, y'all. Like, I got some heavy whipping cream in there. Let's say April 23rd. I need to hurry up and use this stuff. I need to cook today, for real. I got some avocados over there. But honestly, like, I need to stop. I be doing grocery orders, but I need to stop. I need to stop letting them pick out my avocados because they do a terrible job. You be having to wait for them to like, they be like super hard, and then you be having to wait for them to like defrost because they be so hard. But this one, they done got pretty good by now, so I guess that's what we're gonna do for work. Not for work, for breakfast. What am I talking about? I'm turning my iPad on. Cause now I'm not really a music person when it comes to cooking no more. I be liking to put like videos and stuff on. And I bought this iPad with the intention of editing, but I be editing on my phone, not even my iPad. So I'm gonna turn my little video on. Get breakfast started. So what do we want to watch? so this is breakfast. It may look like a lot of food, which it is a lot of food, but not that high in calorie. But if you like watching your calories and stuff, you can just do like half of an avocado. But like this is all protein, so this is like you got 10 grams, and then 2 eggs got 6 grams of protein. So that's, what's that, 12 plus 10 is 22. Then the sriracha is nothing, but like I said, so this is like a high volume plate, a low calorie, high volume. So if you're into that, definitely try. This is like 10:30, so it's gonna keep me full till it's time to eat again. And the sriracha gonna do it every time. But yeah, I just thought it's like my little breakfast hash.
They say time here.
This fool Anthony right here, he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Say that you been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Say that she been noticing.
Y'all, so I am in Target and I done found, I was looking for a new black tote bag. And I don't know why I just love this bag so much. Hold on, let me zoom out. I don't know why I love this bag so much, but I love totes because like the purse I'm carrying right now is a tote, but I need a new one. And then I saw this one and I was like, I'm not gonna get this one unless it comes with a thing I can put on my shoulder. Y'all, why I got the thing that I can put on my shoulder? I see why y'all love Target now, but I just love these two bags. Like, y'all, these are so cute. Let me get out of here for real. I see why y'all like Target. Not even gonna lie. Not me over here looking at the luggage. Because I got trips planned, but they not to the end of the year. That one is so cute right here. Y'all can see that. That white is so cute, but I know it's gonna get so dirty. That baby blue is cute too. And that pink one's cute. Anyway, I don't need no luggage, y'all. Let me get out of here. So I'm back home, y'all, and while I'm sitting out in the car, I just want to show y'all what I got from Target. And I don't know if y'all could hear me in the store, but like that was okay. So that Target I went to just then, I went at a great time because it was like 6 o'clock and wasn't nobody in there. It was just good vibes. So I had a gift card. That's why I really went into Target, and I just said I'm just going there with vibes. I didn't know what I was going to get. I knew I needed a new bag. I didn't know if I wanted like some more like sweatpants, but I couldn't find like the tall section. But anyway, so I went to the bag area and I came across these two bags that y'all saw in the store. But so this is the brown one, and this is so cute because I'm starting to get into bags now, so I needed a new one. I wanted just a black one because I already had like a darker brown bag, but I like totes. So like this is like really cute. Carry around. I FaceTimed my aunt when I was in there and I was like, girl, if it has like a thing that I can throw on my shoulder, I'm gonna get it. Like I showed y'all in the store. Lo and behold, it got a thing on the shoulder to attach it and then carry it on my shoulder if I don't want to do like a tote. And I just love this bag. It's so cute. So this could be an everyday bag for a little minute till I decide to switch it out, but it's got a lot of room in it. Y'all, this bag was only $40. Like that's really not bad compared when you go into these other stores. And then of course I had a gift card, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. And then okay, when it comes to everyday bags, I'm a tote girl. Like if I'm going out or something like that and it just needs to be like a little cute small purse, and I'm like, I got some like accessory bags, but like you'll never see me carry like a little satchel or something like as an everyday bag because I have a lot of stuff in my purse. But I got this black one and I really do not know what it was about this purse, y'all. Like I really hope it keeps its shape. I hope y'all can see it, but and it's got like side pockets too. Like this is definitely y'all going to the movie theater and I got all the snacks in the bag. Like I love this bag, but y'all, it just like anything could go in here. Like this could be everyday bag, a little spend a night bag, depending on where you're going. And I don't know, I just like really love these two bags. So I don't really buy myself a lot of stuff, which I don't know why. Like I'm not really a materialistic person. Like I spend a lot of my money on experiences, but it does feel nice just to go in the store and like get me something nice or something that I really needed, because I have been needing some more bags. So you know, that's cute. So we're about to go back in the house. I already done ate already. Like it's currently 7:37. Like I went to my aunt's house. She cooked. We had good food. We had a good talk. We had roast, mac and cheese, cabbage, cornbread, and some neck bones. So it was good. So I already ate. I'm full. But yeah, I think we're just about to wind down and shower because tomorrow is Monday. Gotta get back to it. So yeah, I'm gonna just put these bags up and then we're just gonna wind down a little bit and then finish this, getting my life together. I feel like, not because I got something materialistic, but like I done kind of got my life, like I don't want to say I feel happy, because you know materialistic stuff don't make you happy, but the fact that I was able to do something for myself makes me happy, because I ain't done that in a while, if that makes sense. So that helped me get my life together a little bit more. But yeah, we about to do that. Okay, y'all, so I just finished up Bible study. I took some notes from my Bible, trying to do better about reading every day and stuff like that, taking notes and actually letting it be mental. But I think as far as getting our life together, getting my life together, I feel a lot more better than I felt yesterday around this time, because you know, we done meal prep, we done shopped, we done did some laundry. We just got our life back together over the weekend. So tomorrow is Monday, and you know, I'm sitting here just processing my thoughts and just trying to get in a better mood so I can go to work tomorrow. But yeah, I think we done did everything as far as that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't super productive. I was just doing some things to get my life together, but I have enjoyed filming this video a lot more than I thought I would. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.